Dell XPS Desktop is a top-tier computing powerhouse designed to meet the demands of various tasks from productivity to gaming and creative endeavors. This premium desktop PC stands out with its elegant and sophisticated design, sporting a spacious chassis that enables easy component upgrades with a plethora of ports on both the front and back. It eliminates the need for additional docking stations or hubs, providing convenience for connectivity under the hood. The XPS Desktop boasts the latest 12th or 13th gen Intel CPUs and NVIDIA RTX 40 series GPUs, making it one of the most formidable desktops available. Its configurations cater to a wide range of budgets depending on your desired specifications, whether you're tackling resource-intensive creative projects or indulging in immersive 4K gaming. The XPS Desktop can handle it all with finesse. The combination of powerful Intel processors and cutting-edge graphics cards from NVIDIA and AMD ensures exceptional performance. Moreover, the XPS Desktop operates relatively quietly, maintaining a peaceful work environment. Its solid port selection further enhances its functionality and versatility. While the XPS Desktop may have some limitations in terms of upgrade potential in its latest iteration, it still remains an excellent choice for those seeking a Windows desktop that can seamlessly adapt to the rigors of heavy creative workflows and high-end PC gaming. In summary, the Dell XPS Desktop is a performance chameleon offering style, power, and adaptability for discerning users.